Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this session we will discuss about the engineering materials. 5,000 materials are available to engineers for design and manufacturing of products for various applications. Materials included ordinary materials, for example brass, cast iron, copper. Advanced materials, for example ceramics and high performance steel and composites. Challenge for engineers for the right selection of material and right selection of manufacturing process for specific applications. Major characteristics on which materials depends: stiffness, strength, density, etc. There are four main categories of materials. Number one, metals, plastics, ceramics and composites. Each class contains large number of materials with a range of applications. Properties of here is the list of typical properties of some engineering materials for your consideration. Metals have high stiffness, strength, thermal stability and electrical conductivity. Due to their high temperature resistance than plastic, these can be used for applications with higher surface temperature. Alloys formed by mixing different materials, sometimes including non-metallic elements. Plastics, most common engineering materials which provide high surface finish and therefore eliminate several machining operations. Ceramics have strong covalent bond, great thermal stability, no ductility, fail in brittle fashion, high melting points, resistant to most chemical attacks, require high temperature equipment for fabrication, require expensive cutting tools. Composite materials made up by combining two or more materials to give a unique combination of applications. Is found in the concept of composite is found in nature, for example wood. Scientists found that the fiber taken from a spider's web is stronger than the synthetic fibers. Polymer composite materials have a lot of application in various industries. Thermoplastic resins are the materials which are softened at high temperature and hard when cooled. Therefore, these materials can be molded into a variety of shapes and structures. Thermosetting polymers, these are the materials which remain in a permanent solid state after being cured. Fabric provides strength and stiffness to composites, whereas matrix gives rigidity and environmental resistance. Fibers are of different forms: long, woven and short chopped fibers and matte. Each configuration results in different properties. For structural applications, continuous fibers or long fibers are preferred, whereas for non-structural application, short fibers are recommended. Need for material selection. With the technological advancement, new material systems and processes are being developed and are growing faster than even before. It depends upon the demand of the market. For example, automotive market is driven by cost and energy efficiency, and the aerospace market emphasizes high performance and lightweight materials, whereas sports market demands high performance and lightweight materials. Reasons for material selection. There are two major reasons why an engineer becomes involved in material selection process. Number one, to redesign an existing product for better performance, and number two, to select a material for new product or applications. Some of requirements that need to be considered during material selection process are: number one, strength, impact resistance, temperature resistance, humidity, chemical and electrical resistance, process production rate, cost. Super performing materials, high performance concrete. Super performing materials, high performance concrete have high compressive and flexural strength. Formed aluminum, light as air, stronger than steel materials, are just beginning to shape our world. These have various applications in automotive, marine, military, aviation, transportation, electronics. Woven steel has been used in projects as railing systems and furniture components. Woven metallic meshes used as a partition elements. These are used in public buildings and concert halls. Air glass is a transparent material, insulates better than the mineral wool and is more heat resistant than aluminum. This material has many interesting properties and possible applications such as insulation in windows and solar collectors. Laminated thermoplastic panels. The panels are of low weight and provide an excellent combination of high stiffness and compressive strength. Materials. Other super performing multi-purpose materials are GeoWeb, Aeroform, aluminum, flexible framing track, 3D model plywood, corrugated glass, and brittle tiles. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.